In this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you could change who can send you a friend request on Facebook. So basically what this does is it gives you the option to choose who actually sends you friend requests. So if you have a lot of exposure on your account and you're getting random people requesting to follow you on Facebook, this setting will help you out. Let's just say you want to filter out those strangers. So first and foremost in the step process is you're going to want to head over to the menu option at the bottom right hand corner, click it, and then scroll your way down to settings and privacy, and then click settings. Now scroll your way down until you find an option. Now this option is actually going to be the profile and tagging option, I believe, or no, actually, sorry about that, you guys. It's totally different. All right, it's going to be the how people find and contact you option. That is my mistake. Anyways, it's going to be right here, the very first option. It's going to say who can send you friend requests. Now you could change this to friend of friends or everyone, totally up to you. Now if you don't have a professional account, you'll get the nobody can request, but basically that's how you do it. That's how you can change who can send you friend requests on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like. All right, it helps out the channel a bunch, and comment down below that it did help you. But until then, I will see you all for another video.